What's up, fam? It's Janet, and today we're going to be going through a skincare company, and it's actually Deminuage Skincare, and they're actually pretty cool. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? It says, "Hello, beautiful. It's your time to shine." I love that. So straight out of the box, we have a couple of brochures just explaining what to do. That I think that's pretty cool. Just so you need to read instructions. Instructions are very important. So this is the Nano Pen, and it comes in a like velvet bag, which I love because wow, reusable. Everything is packaged so nicely. Everything has a box for itself, you know, like I think that's pretty cool. Even the, like I mentioned, the pen itself has a bag for itself. It's not with other things, like just a bunch of stuff tossed in. We have a bunch of masks. So the pen comes with different attachments, and I think that's pretty cool. So I believe they sent me 10 daily nano chips, and then they also sent me the 5 booster nano chips, and you use that 1 to 2 times weekly. When you go into these boxes, they're individually wrapped, and so this is what each one looks like. This is the daily, and then this is the 1 to 2 times weekly, and I think that's so cool. It's so sanitary, and I think that's the first step I look into when I'm looking into skincare, you know, how clean is it? So now the pen itself, it's actually battery operated, and you just twist this bottom half off of it, and then you just stick in a AA battery right here, and it was super easy to put in, honestly, guys. And then the way that you turn it on is there's a little button right here. It's like flesh, but you just press that button and then it just turns on. So how to use the pen is you literally just take one of the nano chips. This is the daily nano chip, and you literally just make sure the spring side right here, it goes into here of the pen, and yeah, you just screw that on, and that's it. Super easy. And then when you're ready to use it, you just press the button. So I did have a concern as to if I should be dragging this on my skin or if I should be stamping. Step 7 says, hold the nano pen perpendicular to the face and gently begin sliding the nano chip onto the skin, starting from inside to outside and bottom to top. Do not slide the nano chip onto the same surface more than 3 times. So on Deminuage's skincare website, it says that the nano pen is supposed to get rid of wrinkles, dark spots, blemishes, aging, acne scars, and it's also supposed to give you some firmer skin, give you some elasticity. I for sure do have some dark spots and a little bit of acne scars here and there, so I want to see what that's like. So on top of the nano chip, there's a little grid, and that's actually what's being applied to your face. On this nano chip, there's a small grid, and it's a nanometer. So there's each individual little needles that's down to a nanometer, and each little needle is made out of monocrystalline silicone. You can see that it's literally not even touching the top of it, and when you turn it on, it just pushes it enough that it barely grazes your skin. And because of the size of the needles, you don't have to worry about cutting yourself or going in too hard. Like I mentioned in the pamphlet, don't go over a section more than 3 times. Obviously, you want to use some serum. Don't try and do this on a dry face. So in my opinion, if I were to go ahead and add this to my skincare routine, I would probably cleanse my face like normal, do my toner, I would add my serums, and then that's when I would go in. It doesn't matter if it's just a hydrating serum or if it's actually a treatment serum. It says that either way, it's going to be absorbed into your skin 10 to 20 times faster than you just applying it to your skin. Once I'm finished with the pen, I'd probably go back in with lotion and then like a cream for the night. Looking at the pen, I already don't think that there's a need to do this every single day. I think maybe once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks. It really depends on you and the longevity of how long you want to do it. If you feel like you want to do it every single day, up to you. But if you want to do it every single week, up to you. It really doesn't matter. I'm actually very excited to try this out and see what type of difference it makes to my skin, how it feels, and to see if there's really any irritation. If you guys want to know my nighttime skincare routine and me using the pen with my routine, let me know in the comments down below if that's something that you guys would be interested in. If you guys enjoyed my first impression and unboxing of Deminuage Skincare, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks for watching. Bye!